In this video, we're going to be doing a recap of what happened yesterday and also what is my bias for today on all my 6 pairs. Now, yesterday I said GJ was in a sell market condition, and why was that? Because we broke this key level when we flipped into buys, breaking here. We flipped back into sells. This was our key level. We broke this low again, meaning our key level was the last lower high, which is here. Okay, so until this got taken out, I was still in sells. Okay, now I did not get any continuation pattern or reversal pattern in these areas, so it doesn't mean I got an entry. Okay, so let me just come back to show you why. Okay, as we can see, where is going to be my entry in this candle? Okay, so a lot of the good things with having a bias does not mean we have to enter. Like, if a pattern shows in that confluence direction, I'm going to take it. But a lot of times, there's no pattern or I get a break even. So it's very, very probable when you trade like this. Now, that was GJ. Then I'm going to flip back to AU. And what did I see yesterday for AU? Okay, so I said yesterday that AU is in a buy structure, and until this key level got taken out, we're in buys. Now, does this mean that you can't take entries on the break of these candles, okay, taking account of trend trades? Absolutely not. But I've not shown you guys how to do that, so for now, we were in a buy bias until this key level got taken out, and then I did that video yesterday on that 1 minute time frame on this candle in gold and rode it on the way down, okay, expecting this push phase to continue to around these levels. Now, that was gold for yesterday. I said it was a buy and it sold off. So EU yesterday, let's go back to 8 o'clock. So EU was currently in a buy, okay, and then we had this sort of fake out, fake back in from this structure, which is probably just a 1 hour pullback before continuing up. We had a lot of choppy behaviour that I would have just left alone anyway, so I wouldn't have been trading EU. But we said it was buying, and then it faded out and carried on buying. So AU very choppy again. Now this is another one I said it's selling off because we were in this key level. Until this got broken, I was still in a sell bias structure, okay, which it did get broken, and a huge momentum candle completely changed the direction of the market for the rest of the day, which is not a problem because then we can go with the correct direction. Now UJ yesterday, yeah, I said that again was in a sell market, and yes, we were wrong. It decided to go and break out, but it's not that we were wrong, it's just price decided to change its bias. It's completely fine, it's completely normal. So that was UJ. I said it was selling off at the current structure, and then we broke this and carried on rallying up. Okay, so then AJ, just the same again. I said it was selling off in this level, and then it broke. A lot of these are pretty similar. And then GJ. But now what am I seeing today for GJ? We are currently in a buy structure, and until this key level gets taken out, we're going to be looking for longs, okay? And if this does get broken, expect a push to the downside, a pullback, before continuation to any of these fib levels, double top level, or our break and retest level, okay, for continuing to the downsides and to carry on pushing up. This looks like it's a pause pullback candle, okay, which do provide good trading opportunities if you want to scale down. I never enter off the 30-minute alone. I always scale down because it prevents a lot of losses. So that's GJ. We're in a buy. Gold is in a buy as well. Structure double bottom, and now we're breaking these. Okay, so gold technically isn't. Gold is still in this sell market in this region. Then anyway, gold's consolidating for me, so gold is no trade until it breaks out of one of these highs. Okay, I want it to break above this level or below this level. I'm just not going to trade it until it does otherwise. But our structure, it is selling. EU, I mean, we have broke these highs, so I'm definitely going to be going for longs, okay, if we get some sort of pullback, would be nice, okay, the push up, pull back to around these level, before we can go and target to carry on continuing this price up, or 5 minute structure entries that we could get, sort of like this, continuing up, but yeah, EU for me is going long. AU is going long until this key level gets taken out. We are still in buys, okay? So keep buying until it tells you otherwise. UJ, I mean, this is a bit too choppy for my liking. I would like it to keep rallying up though, as we can see prices pushing up. You know, taking out highs, making you lower, higher lows. Sorry, and yeah, this current structure is in a sell. Okay, so it is in a sell. We are consolidating. I would prefer it to carry on going up to the upside. So if we get a break above these highs, or break and close above this key level, I will be looking to go into longs if the 5 minute provides a continuation sell. Okay, and for selling, good selling level is this double top level, but it's a bit too choppy. I would recommend staying out. It's one of them days in the market. AJ is pretty much the exact same. We are in buys until this double bottom level gets taken out. Okay, it's in a strong push phase. Expect a pullback. Okay, but if it doesn't provide a pullback, don't worry. Just be patient and wait for the 5 minute to tell you otherwise. Now, that was our daily recap. If you enjoyed the video, I would ask you to just keep on watching. Don't even need to like, don't even need to subscribe. No comments. Just keep turning up every single day, because I'm going to be uploading these for London Open, and I'm going to be doing another live trade every single day, so you guys can see how I react and just learn off live market conditions. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to leave another video right above that I am sure you will like. But thank you for watching, and peace.